Welcome to our channel. If you want to send money quickly and easily using Zelle through your Ally Bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up and use this convenient payment service. Step 1. Log into your Ally Bank account through the website at www.ally.com or by using the Ally mobile banking app on your smartphone. Step 2. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section in your account menu and select Zelle from the available options. Step 3. If you're using Zelle for the first time with Ally Bank, you'll need to enroll by accepting the terms and conditions and linking your email address or mobile phone number to your Ally account. Step 4. Verify your email address or phone number by entering the verification code sent to you. This ensures that you can receive money through Zelle as well. Step 5. To send money, select Send Money with Zelle and choose or add a recipient by entering their email address or US mobile phone number. Step 6. Enter the amount you want to send. Remember that Zelle has daily and monthly sending limits, which vary based on your account status and banking history. Step 7. Select which Ally Bank account you want to send the money from. Add an optional message to the recipient and review all the details before confirming. Step 8. Click Send to complete the transaction. The money typically arrives in the recipient's account within minutes if they're already enrolled in Zelle, or within 1 to 3 business days if they need to enroll first. You'll receive a confirmation once the payment is sent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.